Hello friends, welcome back. Here you can see that I just explained the relative position here. So relative position is basically quite similar with the static position, but it is not by default by the HTML. So it is a normal position for HTML. Basically, it can position a object related to the another object, so it can adjust the position of the object from original position, so that yeah, we can place two or more object with a proper combination. So it can position the original, it can adjust the original position of the object and give the exact and proper position in the so that it can fill the gap of the element. So basically when you place two objects, it may give some gap, but when you use the relative position, it can fill the gap and position the two objects. This is the syntax of the object and this is the relative position basically. And again I just zoom it. So here this is the total syntax here. So here you can give the, here you can see that left is 30 pixel here for positioning, and border is 3 pixel solid border, and color is red color here. So original, it can replace the relative position to 30 pixel left, and here you can see that div dot relative is my syntax for our relative position. And this is the total example of the our relative position. This is the doc type statement here, and this is the style.css here. This is our styling page here, and this is the our relative position here, and this is the header section here, and basically this is the header section, and our this is the h1 position here, and this is the div class is the relative. This div is for our relative position. This is the paragraph for our position, relative position, and this is the heading of the our relative position, and this total is known as our body of the relative position for it. And we can see it here, and you can see that our basically this is the total area of the our position. This is the total example of the element position element. And again I just create a new page. I create a new HTML blank page. I just remove all, and I just write all things so that you can see that what is the changes occur by the relative position. So first of all I just give the doc type HTML here, and after that I just create a head here, and after that I just create I just close the HTML here, and after I just create head here, and I just close the head by using slash head, and after that I just create body here, and after that I just closing tag by using closing tag. I just close it by using slash body here, and after the slash body you just after that I just go to my title here, a head section here, just input heading here. By default it is untitled document, and after that here we just use the style here. So I just create a style div here, and I just close it, and inside the style div I just zoom it so that you can see it properly. And after that I just create my relative div here. So I just write div dot relative, and I just create open bracket, and I just position is relative, and after that I just give the border is 5 pixels solid border, and our red color here basically, and I just save it. So I just save it as a relative position, and .html. So by default it is saved in HTML content, so I just save it. And here we can again I just go here, and here you can see that left 30 pixel I remove here, You can add it, it's up to you. I just add here also, there is no problem. And here body is, I just give the our heading here, that is this is the head of the relative position here, and paragraph is, this is the paragraph for our relative position here. This is the paragraph for our division, for our basically relative position here. And I just, after that I just create a div here. So basically I just create div, and then I just display the message that is, this is the div for relative position. And inside the div I just create a class here, and after that I just create class is a relative. And after that I just here you can see that I just create here. And after that we just use this portion also. And here you can see that I just create a HTML page here. Here you can see that I just create two dot here. Make sure that you use this single dot here. And just after that I just save it, and again I just preview it, so that you can see that it is this is the our heading of, and this is our paragraph of the relative position, and this is our division of the relative position here. So just write it here, and I just accept it, and this is one.